Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today's focus is to show you how you can import contacts from Gmail into Sheetify CRM. You can also quickly set this up so that your new contacts are automatically imported into your CRM. Now, just quickly before we dive in, if you're new to our Sheetify CRM, this is an all-in-one Google Sheets CRM template. If you're interested in learning about all the different tools and features that you can leverage inside our Sheetify CRM, I will add a relevant tutorial down below in the description. Also, for those that already have an existing Sheetify CRM toolkit and you want this update, then I'll add a tutorial down below in the description that will show you how to get this template and how to migrate your data from your existing template to this new update. Okay, so with that covered, how can you import contacts from Gmail? Well, let's first navigate over to Contacts and Leads, and then simply navigate up to our Sheetify menu. Then come down to Import Contacts, and then simply locate Set up Gmail Labels. This is what we need to do first in order to be able to import labeled Gmail contacts. Okay, so let's click here. Sheetify email labels have been created. Click OK. And now let's jump into our Gmail account. And with the now connected Gmail account, you'll see this label here. What we can do is expand, and you'll see these two sub-labels. Now with the contacts that we want to import into our Sheetify CRM, all we need to do is click, drag, and drop, and that's going to add this label to this conversation, this email. And you can see the label here, Sheetify Import. So this is a contact that we want to import. Again, all I need to do is drag and drop. Now if we open an email, we can also click on Labels, and locate the label, Sheetify Import, and click Apply. And that's going to add the label. Okay, so we've added 3 emails to the import label. If we click on the label, you'll see those 3 email contacts here. And we want to import the data that we can pull from this email into our Sheetify CRM. To do that, jump back inside Sheetify CRM. Then within Contacts and Leads, simply navigate up to Sheetify, Import Contacts, and simply click Import Labeled Gmail Contacts. And as you can see, 3 new contacts imported. And let's take a look and see what's been imported. We've pulled in the full name of these contacts, the first name, the contact's email, and then if we navigate across, you can see the source has already been added as email. The date added, this is the date of when that email hit your inbox. And then under Media and Files, you can see we have email from the first name of each contact. Now if we click on the link, that's going to take us to that email that this contact is associated with. For example, let's click here, and that's going to open up Gmail, and you can see that email feed, that email here. Now all successfully imported contacts that you've imported, the label will change to Sheetify and this green tick. So if I navigate back over to Import and click here, you'll see we now have no conversations with this label because we've imported all those contacts. If I click on this green tick, you can see all the contacts that have been added to our Sheetify CRM. Pretty cool, huh? And we've also created this import feature in a way that you cannot add duplicates based on the email. Also, if you're having a conversation in one of these email feeds, then it's going to pull the first email that's not part of your organization. Basically, this just means it's not going to pull your email and add that into Contacts and Leads. Okay, now let's jump back inside our Sheetify CRM and then navigate up to Sheetify and locate Import Contacts. And then let's cover these other options. We can remove process labels. So all process labels have Sheetify and that green tick I showed you. If you want to remove all these labels, you can do that by clicking this. Also, if we navigate down here, we can set up automatic weekly imports. This means all the contacts inside your inbox that you've added the import label to over the week will automatically be added to your Sheetify CRM every Monday. So this will trigger on the Monday of every week. If you want to remove this automatic import trigger, simply click on Disable Automatic Weekly Import. Okay, let's jump out of here. You will need to add additional information like address, phone number, and account. You cannot automatically input this information yet. Now, one troubleshoot I want to mention is if you click on this email and it takes you to the wrong email inbox, then you just need to make one change in settings. Simply navigate down to Settings, navigate across to General Settings and locate Gmail user number. And here you simply want to add the number that you can see in your Gmail URL. For example, if we open up Gmail and then locate the URL inside our inbox, you'll see this 2 here. This might also be 0, 1, or 3. What you want to do is take this number, head back to Sheetify CRM settings, and add that number in here. And that's it. However, that is how you can simply import contacts from your Gmail account into Sheetify CRM, our Google Sheets CRM template. Again, if you're interested in learning more about our Sheetify CRM toolkits or other business toolkits, I will add relevant resources, links, and tutorials down below in the description. If you have any questions about this process, about this toolkit, make sure to pop them down below. And with that, have a productive day, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.